since I've last posted any videos. I've been kind of busy with school, work, and finals, so I couldn't post anything. But now that finals over, I have extra time to kind of make videos and put more time towards YouTube. But yeah, today we're gonna go around my car and I'm gonna rank all the mods I've done to the car and tell you which ones are worth it and which ones are not. So first, let's start with the grill. The grill was probably one of my favorite mods. This grill, there's a story behind it. This is the second time I had to order the grill, because the first time I ordered it from eBay and I was kind of trying to save a little bit of money, and when it showed up, it wasn't the best quality. It wasn't fitting right. One of them was sticking out from this side and the other one was sticking out from this side, and you know, just the fitment was so bad that I didn't want to run it. So I had to return that. And then this one I got from Amazon. So a little tip, guys, if you're buying the grills from any of your BMW, I would probably just buy it from Amazon straight up, because you don't want to deal with all that, you know, especially because it wastes your time and your money. With the grill, I also did the bars behind, which is blue. The color is satin blue. The wrap I got from eBay. It's pretty good quality. It's not peeling or anything. You can see right there, the color is pretty nice. For the second mod, it's relocating the license plate. All you gotta do is remove 4 bolts from the middle. I still have the holes, which I'm gonna cover up later. But yeah, you just open that and then you gotta buy one of these, which goes in the tow hook thing place. It's only 10 bucks. You gotta get one of those and then move your license plate. I went ahead and also got a carbon fiber plate cover, which looks really nice. Right now it's broken, but I'm gonna fix that. So that's one of the mods which really changes how the car looks, makes it look more aggressive. Kind of sets it apart, because most people have their plates in the middle. So that was the second mod for your F10 535. The next one has to be the rear view covers. These come as the regular ones. I got this one on eBay. It's plastic, but you can tell the paint quality is really nice. If you guys know, like the F10 chassis, the M5 didn't come with this M style rear views, but you can buy these from eBay as an option. Really changes how the car looks. The only complaints I wouldn't say I complain about it, but the only negative about this is when you have your window open, you can kind of hear the wind going through from here. It's subtle, it's not too bad. It's something that you guys gotta keep in mind before buying these. For me personally, it doesn't bother me at all. The next mod has to be blacking these out. I could have bought these, but I just went ahead and wrapped them, me and my homie. We kind of broke the holders. It's kind of loose now, but I'm gonna have to buy new ones. I'm gonna do that. But before, they used to be chrome, and when you black it out, it looks way cleaner. A lot of people also black these out, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I like how the orange breaks the black color a little bit, so I'm gonna just keep that. And yeah, blacking these out. Some people do plastic dip, some people wrap it. I wrapped it. Not the best job, but some plastic dip it. I wouldn't plastic dip it though. You can buy these for pretty cheap, like 40 bucks on Amazon, and have them replaced. Another thing which I wrapped was the door handle, which I'm gonna do all around, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So you guys see this one is all black, gloss black, but this one is chrome. This is how it used to look like, a little side by side. I'm gonna go ahead and make all that into black. This side I couldn't do it, I just got busy. I wouldn't say busy, I just got lazy, but I'm gonna make a video on how to do it. Makes the car look cleaner. In the back, I'm missing a spoiler, which I'm gonna get soon. So yeah, a spoiler would definitely help this car look way better, nicer. I do have the same carbon fiber license plate holder in the back. And also probably my second most favorite mod would be the carbon M5 style diffuser. Looks really nice, makes the car look a little sporty. There's two styles you could buy. There's actually many styles you could buy, but this would be the second most aggressive one. The other one is the one with the fangs in the middle, but I didn't get that one. I just got the M5 style. And guys, if you could do this, keep in mind, for you to do this you would need the M Sport bumper in the back. This mod was really worth it and really makes the car look aggressive. After that, my favorite mod is gonna be, as of right now, the Muffler Delete. The from the factory, out of the box, these cars are quiet, guys. Like, there's barely any exhaust noise. You do hear the engine, but no exhaust noise whatsoever. So when I did the Muffler Delete, it really changed how the car drives. I wouldn't say how it drives, but the experience of driving the car really changed. I can hear the car now. I barely listen to music. All I want to do is listen to my exhaust. So Muffler Delete, guys. My car's still under warranty, so if you're under warranty, it's cool for you to do the Muffler Delete. Your warranty does not get void. I already asked it. I talked to the dealership and they said it's fine. It's just a Muffler Delete, so you guys can do a Muffler Delete and not worry about losing your warranty. And lastly, the muffler tips. This is something I really dislike about the car. When I was gonna do the Muffler Delete, I had to buy tips because the shop I was doing it didn't have no tips, and I had to go to some just random car parts store and just buy a set of muffler exhaust tips. And at first I thought I'd be okay with this, but the way it's set up, like, I want it to be flush, and I feel like it's sticking out way too much for my taste. Kind of looks ricey. So this is something I'm gonna be changing soon. I'm still gonna be quad tips, but it's gonna be flush and probably not gonna be blue, and it's gonna be staggered. Like, for me, from the side view, I just don't like it. I feel like it doesn't fit the car. This car deserves way better. So that's a change which is gonna be coming to the car soon. But other than that, Muffler Delete really changes the experience of driving this car, so I highly recommend that. The drone isn't too bad. If you guys want, I can do a video on that. I've already done one in my channel, but if you guys want it to be more detailed, I can go ahead and do that too. But yeah, guys, in the back, I would definitely do a spoiler, which I'm missing. The cover, optional. Diffuser is a must-do. Exhaust Muffler Delete is also a must-do, or any exhaust, performance exhaust you guys can go with. But yeah, like I said, the tips gonna be different soon, so stay in tune for that. And guys, I'm gonna be trying to spend more time trying to make videos. I've been keeping up with all the maintenance. I had to change one of my rims recently because I bent it. But yeah, guys, stay in tune. I also have an E36 which I bought for the channel. I'll be making a video on it soon, so stay tuned, guys. See you in the next one.